Okay, so to start off, we're just taking our 3 strands and we're just braiding it like a normal braid, and then we are going to add some hair, wrap it over the middle section and add hair from the other side, just like a French plait. You're going to continue this technique until you cannot pick up any hair into your right hand when you run out of hair to pick up. The only difference of doing this braid to a French plait is as we're adding to our left hand at the front hairline, I'm slightly moving my right hand back so the braid shifts away from the face. So you'll see it a bit more in a second when we get a bit further down. Okay, so you're going to keep on going, adding hair to both sides and then braiding it round. And now you can see I can't pick up any more hair into my right hand. I can't make that braid any bigger. So now I'm just going to start picking up into my left hand. I'm adding hair, braiding everything together. And then picking up more hair from the left into my new left hand strand. Wrap it round. Just like a normal 3 strand braid, sorry. Add some more hair. Braid it again, and at this point we're doing exactly the same thing all the way down the hair, so nothing changes now. We're just adding into our left hand section, braiding everything together and adding more hair. So every time you're adding hair to the left hand section, you're just going to pull your hands back a little bit further, just so the braid moves further away from the hairline. It will naturally start to do it because the head rounds, but you're just moving your hands back just a little bit further each time. So you're going to keep doing this right until the bottom of the hairline. And once you've added all of the hair, you're just going to do your 3 strand braid right down to the bottom. Okay, so it looks a lot harder than what it actually is, but it's such a beautiful braid and it goes with so many updos. Okay, and that's the braid done. So I'm just going to quickly brush out the back of her hair and secure it into place just so you can see what it looks like. I normally secure it just under that last strand where the longest piece stretching back is. Just take a little bobby pin and just secure it into place. And that's it, that's the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you out. Let me know what you thought about this braid in the comments and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!